Okay. Discussing about Excel. Basically, Excel is spreadsheet application. Learn about the typical user and use that and how it is like. So we discuss about that as well. And also we discuss about different navigation and selection methods and basic formatting. So today what we are going to learn is functions and formulas in Excel. So please write down the heading, functions and formulas in Excel. Under that, please write down, a function is a process function is a process defined using a special word called keyword, defined using a special word within bracket keyword and used for mathematical processes and logical processes. Example, sum will find the total. Min will find the minimum. Max will find the maximum. These are examples. The formula is a set of variables, name boxes, comma, variables and values, set of variables and values with related mathematical functions such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. Example, A3 plus A2. Another one, B3 multiplied C5. These are formulas. So function is always a special word. Function is referring to a special word, whereas formula is referring to a mathematical algorithm. So within bracket, you can write instead of that, actually it's a very short definition, mathematical algorithm. Mathematical algorithm. Okay, so now let's start the practical aspects, Pute. Have you finished write down or still writing?
Example.
The last
Writing, sir.
Okay, right. Right.
done, sir.
Okay. So let's go to Excel sheet, and so this activity Pute, you can do with the same Excel sheet, right? We can do the activity with the same Excel sheet that I'm going to provide you, or you can do this in Excel also. Those who don't have Excel, if you are not having Excel in your computer, and if you cannot do this in this Google Sheet also, my recommendation is please go to this link. You can go to Google and type sheets.google.com. Sheets.google.com. So please understand, right? Sheets.google.com. Then create a new sheet. Then create a new sheet. You can create blank sheet, and you can start doing this immediately. The reason is that we have discussed about few software today. We discussed about Excel. Excel is a commercial software for spreadsheets. So what are the free software available? Can you tell me any free software available for Excel or for spreadsheets? Any free software? No free software. Yes, name of free software. Don't know. Then you have to write down.
Library office.
Library office. Okay, so what is free? What is open source? So these terms you should know. These are some additional things, but you should know these terms. Free
You
means
don't have to pay.
no need to pay. Open source,
They will give you the coding of the
Yeah.
software.
program code is available to anyone. Anyone can see the code. So Excel is a commercial tool. Or Excel is a trial software, basically. Trial, or you can say paid. MS Excel. And you can, these are extra things, right? But if you don't know, you can write down. Then LibreOffice, Calc, and OpenOffice, Calc. LibreOffice Calc and OpenOffice Calc are free and open source, both free and open source. It is free, means you don't want to pay, and it is open source too. The code is also available. Then Google Docs, and it is free.
It's free but not open source.
It's not open source, it's free. Free, and it is free cloud-based software. Cloud-based means you can use it anywhere without installing. It's a cloud-based application of software. So if you don't know, please write down this as well, because it is also required.
Done.
Okay. So let's start doing this today. So first of all, you have to create this table using Excel. Don't copy, just try to create. So how did I create? So let me show these steps. I'm going to show the steps from the beginning in a new sheet. First of all, ABC super. You can see I have selected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to F. Selected, merged, and center. Then type ABC super. Then I will make it larger font size and put the background color, some background color. Then I have to type this product ID. Then the product. So this is what you need to do. Do this with me. Quantity. Then the unit price. Then the subtotal. Then the discount. So product ID is P001. P0001. Okay. Product ID is P0001. 0001.
Sir,
Yeah.
can you share the link to the chat again?
You can create a new one, Pute. Just go to the sheets.google.com and create a new one. You can see what's in the screen, right? Then write the product names, pencil, pen, eraser, marker pen. It's not marker pen, it should be marker pen.
Sir,
Marker.
can we get any color we want or?
Yeah, you can use any color, large box, toolbox, ruler, page 120 books, page 200 books, CR books. Okay, that is it. And then quantity can be varied, right? You can put any quantity that you like. Quantity can be varied. Unit price is not varied. It's you can put 15, 20, 10, 70, 350, 400, 100, 80, 130, and 120. Subtotal should be the multiple. That means, so let's say unit price is 15 and you purchase 3 pencils, then the subtotal should be 45. So the multiplication is asterisk, right? You know how to multiply, it's asterisk. So try to get the subtotal, right? Try to get the subtotal. And also, okay, first of all, try to get the subtotal here. Try to, I'm going to make this column yellow color. And this one again yellow color. I need to find subtotal and total of the total bill. Here I need total bill. So please try to find out the total bill and the subtotal. I'll give you time. Subtotal is actually multiplication of the quantity and the unit price. Total bill is the total of all the subtotals. Okay, just give a try, Pute. In case if you need help, I can help you. Don't worry. Let me know. I'll help. Nadun, practical note kyanne monada Nadun? I didn't get you, Nadun. So what did you mean? Practical notes. What is that? Okay. If you have any question, please let me know, then I help. Nadun. So
Yes,
can
sir.
you tell me the problem today? So what's the issue? මොකද නදුනාගේ issue එක?
Sir, මට practical notes ටික විතරයි හම්බුනේ.
Practical notes ටික කියන්නේ තේරුණා. Notes කියලා වර්ග දෙකක් නැහැ. මේ එක note එකයි තියෙන්නේ. Practical notes කියලා එකක් නැහැ. This is the note that we are having. මේ note එක තමයි තියෙන්නේ. Not grade 8, sorry, grade 9 note එක. මේක විතරයි තියෙන්නේ.
මේක නෙමෙයි sir මට හම්බුනේ.
Grade 8 එකක්ද වාක්‍යය? 9 එකක්.
නෑ sir 9 ලක්මාලි ටීචර් දුන්නේ.
ලක්මල් ටීචර් කියන්නකො මේක නෙවෙයි වෙලා තියෙන්නේ කියලා වැරදි එකක් තියෙනවා.
හරි ටීචර්.
හරි. කියන්න වැරදි එකේ වෙලා තියෙන්නේ මන්ත්‍රී නෙමෙයි කියලා බලන්න. Practical note කියන්නේ කොහේ එකක්ද වල හම්බුනේ මට තේරෙන්නේ. බලමු. Okay, finish it with the finish.
Sir, can you please
Yeah. I'll give you 2 minutes, right? විනාඩි දෙකක් දෙන්න අපි ඉවර කරමු. විනාඩි දෙකක් මදිනේ 3ක් දෙන්න. I didn't teach you, don't worry, right? So you don't be upset. I didn't teach you. Now I'm going to teach you. Okay, how do we find the total? So first of all, you have to data entry. Data entry means enter these data. Hari තැන් වලට data ටික enter කරගන්න. So if you're having issues entering data, please let me know, then I can help, right? මෙතන තියෙන්නේ merge and center නේ මම කරේ මේ තියෙන්නේ merge and center. Merge and center, then I fill the color. So මේ ටිකටත් color එකක් ඕන. To this also I need a color. I'm putting another color, right? Let's put blue color. Dark, this blue is not good. So let's put some other color, maybe orange. So then, okay. Then entire thing I'm putting one color. Oh, I can color it later, right? Okay. So how do we find the subtotal? Subtotal is equal to, I have to put equal sign. සමාන ලකුණ දාන්න ඕන. After putting the equal sign, I have to tell what do we need to multiply. One is D3, this one. The other one is C3. Agree? Unit price plus the multiplied by the quantity. පැන්සලක් රුපියල් 15යි පැන්සල් 3ක්. ඒතර 15 වරක් 3 එක අපි කියන්නේ මෙහෙමයි D3 into C3. 15 by 3 කියන්නේ we are not telling 15 by 3. Instead of that we are telling D3 into C3 and press enter. Here what is the value? It is D4 into C4. Here what is the value? It is D5 into C5. But you don't want to repeat. Why?
We can write.
You can click from the first one. There is a plus sign. When you go to the corner, මේ තියෙන්නේ මේ හතර වටේම බලන්න එක කොනක් වෙනස්. ඒ තමයි, what is that corner which is different? So see all 4 corners. See all 4 corners. You can see one corner is different. What is that corner?
the dot?
Yeah, the dot which is in the right bottom. When you go to that dot, you can see a plus sign in your, it's changed into the plus sign. Then you can click and drag, and that will automatically fill everything. You can see here D12, C12, here D8, C8. Okay, it has automatically filled that. How do we find the grand total? So that is equal. One thing is you can, I ask you to write the formula, no? Then you have to write equal E3 plus, E4 plus, E5 plus, E6 plus, E7 plus, E8 plus, E9 plus, E10 plus, E11 plus, E12. Okay, that is the grand total. So I asked you the formula, right? Not the function. Don't write equal sum. That is wrong. You have to write 1 by 1 by 1 by 1 by 1. That is how you find the grand total. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'll send you, Pute, I'll send you the screenshot. Wait. Please add this to the note. I'll send you the screenshot. Add this to the note. After that, you can write down the bottom, right? Naduna devani note එකත් හම්බුණාද ඔයාට?
සර් මම ඒ ලින්ක් එක දැම්මා.
ඒක හරියන්නේ නැද්ද? ඒක නෙමෙයි ද note එක. ඒක තමයි note එක මම හිතන්නේ දෙවනි. ඒක තමයි. ඔය තියෙන්නේ month 3 කියලා. ඒක හරි නේද? ඔයා නෑ කියලා කිව්වේ මොකද්ද දැන්? එහෙම නෑ කියන්න එපා. එතකොට දැන් අපිත් කියනවනේ ඒගොල්ලන්ට දාලා නෑ කියලා. මේ තියෙන එක හරි. The note you got is correct.
ඒකේ සර් හිස්තන් තියෙනවා.
ඉතින් හිස්තැන් පුරවන්නේ මමද? ඔයානේ පුරවන්න ඕන. ක්ලාස් ආවේ නැද්ද? ඊසති.
ආවස එතකොට හම්බෙලා තිබුණේ.
ඒක තමයි. ඒ ටික පොතේ ලියා ගන්න ඕනේ. ඊට පස්සේ තමයි මේක ලියන්නේ. හරි? හිස්තැන් පුරවල එන්නේ. You have to write down in your book and then write down in this one, right? Okay. Okay. Let's go back to the lesson. Okay, I have sent you this one. Now please add this to the note. I have sent this to you. Saras, why you need it again? Okay. Then which form? I didn't get. Which form you need? Table. Table means the screenshot, right? I can send you the screenshot. You have to create the table, Pute. Table like them panthi the create kare. I can't send you the. The link is also, I ask you to create this in Excel. Excel wala hadana kiyana man kiwi. And I can send you this link, but it is useless. Even though I send this link, it is useless because it is not done. It is also unfilled one. You can't do anything with this. Only thing is you have to fill it. If you are late to the class, what you have to do is you have to watch the recording and catch it. Okay. So then please add this to the note and write down. After that, please write down. Note के method add करा. Formula function here. Yeah. Write down a formula to place in E3, which can be used to find the subtotal by multiplying the unit price with quantity. So the answer is, you can say, equal D3 multiplied by C3. C3 is the quantity, D3 is the unit. D3 is the unit price, C3 is the quantity. Next, write down the formula to find the total bill in E13. So what is the formula? Can you tell me? E13. E means this, 13 means this. To find the bill. Yes? Yes, yes.
You
Yes.
want to add
E?
E1 plus
E1 is not
E2
coming. E1 is this one. E1 is ABC super. You can't add that. E2 is subtotal.
E3 plus
E3 plus,
E4 plus
E4 plus,
E5 plus
E5 plus,
E6 plus
E5, E6, E7, E8,
E8,
E9, E10,
11,
E11, E12,
and then enter.
up to E12. Okay, what is the formula? What is the function? What is the, please write down, what is the function to find total bill? What is the function to find the total bill? Yes, what is it? Yes, that is දෙවැනි එකට ඒක දාන්න බෑ. ලනින්දු දෙවැනි එකට ඒක දැම්මොත් වැරදි. Function and formula, understand the difference. Function is special word, special keyword. Sum, min, max, those are functions. Formula means mathematical. So when somebody asks the formula, you have to write the mathematical expression. But when somebody asks the function, then you can tell equal sum, then කියන්න පුළුවන්. Equal sum E3 colon E12. You can give the range E3 colon E. Or you can give, or can say equal sum. This will also work, but this is too long, right? E3, E4, E5, E6, E7, comma E8, E9, E10, E11, E12. So that is too long. You can write like that, but it is too long. That is also correct. So function is a special word. Okay, now write down another question. If the customer has purchased, if the customer has purchased more than 3 items from a given product, he is eligible for 5% discount. You need to calculate discount in F column. The next one is if the total bill is greater than 3,000 rupees, it is required to apply another 3% discount to the total bill. Write the function or formula in, write the function or formula in E14. calculate the final bill in E16. Okay, this part I will discuss next day, Pute. So these are questions. Yeah, you can give a try, right? You can just give a try as a homework, but anyway, I'll describe this next day. Finished writing? I hope still writing, right? Let me know once you're done.
Yes.
Finish. Okay, good. All of you finish or still doing? There are still doing, some students are still doing. Doesn't matter. I just want to see one more thing before we finish. One last thing. Actually, we need to adjust the currency value. Formatting cells. So please write down heading number types. Number types and currencies. Formatting cells. Basically, we are going to learn number types and currencies under that. Okay, so can you share the screen, Pute? Right, guys. Right, please open Excel. Please open Excel and just type some numbers, maybe. Right, type some numbers, maybe. So numbers downwards. So downwards, different cells, maybe 10, 20, 30, 40, likewise, up to 100. Okay, you can drag it. You can just drag it by selecting the numbers. Okay, enough. Right. Now you can see there are different numbers, number formats coming, right? So first of all, I need to put that 10 as rupees 10, 10 rupees. How can we edit that? 10 rupees. Yes. Yeah, from that, okay. So can you put rupees? No, it's not there. Then what?
Control panel.
Yeah, you have to go to the control panel. That's what I want to tell. It's not available there, Pute. Please go to the control panel. Others also see this, right? එතනින් edit කරන්න බෑ. Control panel එකෙන් තමයි edit කරන්න පුළුවන් currency එක. Then please go to your category view and change it to small icons maybe. Then you can see all the icons. Then you can go to the region. Under control panel, region. Then under additional settings, you can see there's a tab called currency. Under the currency tab here, you have to put capital R, simple S, and dot. You have to type it. Capital R, simple S, and a dot. Then you have to apply and click OK. Again, you have to apply and click OK. So that will edit, right? That will edit the currency column. You can just expand this, make product. Just expand this and you can see the RS. That is too big, right? Okay. Anyway, how can we edit the currency to rupees, right? That you should know. I think if you know that, that is okay. If you don't know, you have to write down this, right? Changing dollar in currency to RS. So how? Go to control panel, then region, then additional settings, currency tab, then write the currency symbol as RS dot and apply and OK. So this is how you change the currency. It's in the control panel. So not in Excel. So there is special place. So if you want to edit that, control panel. In Google Docs, how do we edit that in Google Docs? There is a way in Google Docs also. In Google Docs, there is a place called currency symbol here. So to change that, you have to go to format, then number, then custom currency and change it. Format, number, custom currency. So please write down that as well. In Google Docs, format, currency, custom currency symbol. Custom currency symbol. That is how you have to change in Google Docs. Please write down that as well. Okay. Right. Can you share it again, Pute? Let me. Can you share it again? Okay. Again, go to the Excel. Now go to the second cell, Pute, and change second cell. No. A2. Right? Now change this format. There are different formats. Can you go to general and check? Yes, there are more formats. So the second is number. So that will add decimal points. Right? If you display as a number, it will add decimal points. But there are two ways of increasing and decreasing decimals. You can use this one to increase the decimals. Can you click on that and you can see the number of increasing number of decimals, more zeros, and here to decrease the decimals. And you can even remove the decimal points. Further, we'll remove it. Right, that is increasing and decreasing decimal in the number form. Right, then the next one, yes, next one is, you can see the currency we have done, accounting, and so this is short date. What is that? Short date. Can you view short date? Okay, then you can see 1900 January 20. How it came? How it came? So 1900 January 0 is taken as 0. Put 0 puti. 0 daan metan. ඔය ටික මකලා 0 දාන්න. erase that and put 0. 0 date එක විදිහට සලකන්නේ 1900 ජනවාරි 0 වෙනි දිනේ. අමුතු දිනයක් හරි ජනවාරි 0. එහෙම ඒවා තියෙනවද? Excel වල තියෙනවා. හරි 1900 ජනවාරි 0 තමයි 0 වෙනි දිනේ. Okay. So one thing, Gayatri, can you type your birthday? First you have to type month. First you have to type the month, then /, then the date, then the / again, then the year. Okay, press enter, and that is month, date, year, right? Remember month, date, year. Now click on that cell and change it to a number. Okay. This is how old are you in days? How many days? You are 39,485 days old now. Right? This is your birthday in days. Is it correct? Is it correct? No, it's from the 1900 January 0 පුතේ. ඒ වාගේ වයස නෙවෙයි. ඒකේ එන්නේ 1900 ජනවාරි 0 වෙනි දවස් ඉඳන් ඔයාගේ බර්ත්ඩේ එක දවස් වෙනකන් දවස් ගන්න. Okay, if you want to find the number of days, how old are you? You have to type this. Go to, okay, let's go to D1 column. D1. Please go to D1 and type your birthday. Type your birthday. Month, date, year. Month / date / others also do this, right? Anitayat karanna. You have to send it to the chat. Press enter. Right, then go to the next column, D2, and type today's date. Today's date is, the month is January, then the day is 25, and then year is 2022. Then go to the third one, D3. එච්චර වෙන්න බෑ දිලිරු 39000 ගානක් කියන්නේ හෙන වයසයි වා නාකි. Then what you have to do? You have to subtract, okay, equal, then select D2 minus rina lakuna, then D1. This gives you the exact figure. Press enter. Okay, you are 5,101 days old. That is correct. Divide by 365 with it. No. Go to the D4 column, equal, put equal sign. Yeah, that one, divide the divider, /, dividing by /, okay, then 365. And you are, yes, 13 years old, closer to 14 years. Is it correct?
Yes.
Closer to 14 years. Okay, you are 5,101 days old. දවස් 5101ක් වයසයි. මේ වෙද්දි. හෙට වෙද්දි 5102යි. Okay, others, please send me your age in days.
පොඩක් කියන සර්
I own. Hi. Okay. Again, let's do. Again, make a karam. Okay. Let's go to F1. කොහෙටරි කමන්නේ එකකට යන්කෝ F1 එකට යන්න F1. Type your birthday. How to type your birthday? Month slash ඉස්සලම මාසේ month, then forward slash, then the day, then forward slash, then the year. Okay. Press enter. Now F2. Month, again today's date, right? January 25th 2020. Okay, press enter. Now what? Hari ඒ දෙකම ගහ ගන්න ඕනේ. ඉස්සෙල්ලාම birthday එක ඊට පස්සේ අද දවස. Equal sign සමාන ලකුණ. This is very important. Equal sign සමාන ලකුණයි. ඊට පස්සේ අඩු කරන්න ඕන. දැන් ඔයාගේ තියෙන විදියට F2 නේ අද දවස. F2 ගෙන් අඩු කරන්න ඕනේ. F2 minus F1. Right? අද දවසෙන් birthday එක අඩු කරන්න ඕනේ. F2 minus F1. Okay. Now it gives the number of days. Now how to find the years? You have to divide equal F3 divide by 365 and you will find the number of years. Litumi has sent. Okay. Litumi has sent. It is 4,992. Diliru has sent 4,901. Right? Okay. So still others counting, right?
In my answer is showing an error.
Error. Can you share the screen here? Share the screen. So it should be some. ඒකට හේතුව 8:30 එක හරි වගේ. මේක date එකක් දාන්න. First one you have to put date. Format as date today. Click on that and from here format as date. General කියන එකෙන් from general please select date. Date. Short date. Yeah. Correct. The next one also change it to the short date. Okay, go to the value. Then okay, backspace, erase it, equal A2 minus A1. Press enter. This is very well. Okay, shall we type that again today? Again from the beginning. I think your date format sometimes is wrong, right? So let's change to the date. Okay, first change to the date format, short date. Okay, now type the date. Type the date. Enter. Okay, seems. Can you change it to number and see? Click on A1 and change it to number. I just want to change it to number now. Ah, yes, that is wrong. That's the reason. It's wrong. Right? For some reason, I think Windows 11 or some other reason. Let's put dash now. 8-30-2008. Enter. Now change it to number. Your date format has the problem.
In number.
In number also the same. No, it's not. Should not be. In number, there should be some other value. Please type number 0 there. Number 0. 0. Press enter. Okay, now change it to date. Now change it to date. Okay, that is the format today. That's the reason. So you can see in the formula bar. So that's the reason. Maybe you have done some format in here. So එතකොට වාගේ ඉස්සෙල්ලාම එන්නේ you have to type the 30th. 30 dash 30 dash 30 dash 08 dash again 08 or 2008. Enter. Okay, now that is correct. The other format should be the same. That's the reason. 25 dash 01 dash. Okay, now it should give the answer. Calculate and see. Hey, wow, formatting change. That's the reason for getting that, right? Sometimes others also get the same. Okay, your number is coming there. Right. Anyone else?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, it's showing that the value is error.
So can you share, Pute? Akshaya, can you share?
Okay, sir.
Okay, different formats. The reason is different formats you are using. Okay, this is you are having this one. Yeah, I think your one is also the same issue. First of all, write 0, Pute. So let's identify the date format. No, just type 0 in the A1, type 0. Type 0. Erase everything. Type 0. Now change it to date. Okay, now you can see the format, date format. Can you see? Your one is having year, month, date. So that's the reason. So you have to type your date as that is different formats, right? ඒකට හේතු ඔයාලා දාලා තියෙන format එක. Now you have to type your birthday with the year, Pute. Type your year first, 2008 or something. What is the year, Lakshya? Type your date of birth. Lakshya, understand this. I think you didn't understand. Write your date of birth like this, 2008. I don't know your birthday, January 25th, something like this. You have to type your date of birth like this. I don't know exact date, you have to write. No. May. Okay, now today's date, the next column. The reason is you are using different formats. I'll teach you, Pute. ඒකට හේතු එක එක්කෙනාගේ formats වෙනස්. Right? That's why you are getting errors. Right? Now you can subtract. Equal A2 minus A1. වෙලාවට අපි මේක කරේ. So now you have different formats. Press enter. Okay, now change it to number. Yeah, click and change it to number. No. එතන නෙවෙයි. From general you can change it to number. Here. Change it to number. Yeah, you are getting the number of days. That's correct. Okay, others also I think you are getting errors. So you have to do this today. Only by doing this you will understand. Right? Now you see different formats are there, right? So some are having date month here, some are having month date here, some are having date dash month dash here. It's different formats.
Sir,
Yes.
I also have error, sir.
So your format you have to find your format there. I can give you a chance. Okay, one more chance. I'll finish with you, Pute. Can you share your screen at last? Okay, after that, so all of you need to find out the way of detecting the error, right? How to detect the error? Matisha, share it. Type 0. So simplest way of detecting the error is type 0 there. 0. Then change it to date. Change the format to date. Now you can see what is the format Pute here. Month / date / so that is the format. Write in that format. You have to type your date as month / date / year. Month / date / year. Okay. Then the next value, the same thing. I think you can copy that from B2. Copy and paste from B2. Copy, Control C or copy. Yeah. Click on D2 and paste it. Paste it. Control V. Okay, that's enough. Now click on there. Equal mark. D3 is your cell. D3 minus D2 should give the answer. Enter. Okay, that gives the answer. Right, with that, Pute, I'll stop for today. Others, please give a try. If not, please let me know. I'll help you next day to definitely correct this. Okay, then. See you all next week, Pute. Good night.